Welcome to Crochetwoventales. Today we will make basic granny square, number 6, from the Granny Square series on our channel. This is a classic, beginner-friendly granny square that is versatile, trendy, and perfect for all your crochet projects. For materials, you will need cotton yarn in 3 colors, a 4mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and scissors. We start by creating a magic ring. Then chain 3, which counts as the first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochets, and chain 2. This forms half of the first corner stitches. For the first round, continue by making 3 double crochets, then chain 2, and repeat this 3 times. The 2 chains create the corner spaces in each round. This round forms the center of the granny square. You will repeat this round in subsequent rounds, changing colors as desired and increasing the number of clusters to grow the square. This granny square is very easy, which is why it is called the basic granny square. To close each round, tighten the magic ring and slip stitch into the 3rd chain of the first 3 chains we made. Cut the yarn. Weave in all yarn tails neatly. Round 2 begins with a different color. Join the yarn into any corner space with a slip stitch. Then chain 3. Make 2 double crochets, and chain 2. This forms the half corner stitches. In each corner, make 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. Always hold the yarn tails behind your work and stitch over them to hide and secure them. When reaching the first corner, make 3 double crochets, chain 3, slip stitch, and cut the yarn, just like the previous round. It is a good practice to weave in yarn tails after each round, though some crocheters prefer to leave all tails until the end. Return to the main color, used every other round. Join the yarn into any corner space, chain 3, make 2 double crochets, and chain 2 to start the round. Continue making 3 double crochets in each space along the sides, and in each corner, 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. The beauty of this granny square is that it is extremely easy for any beginner, always trendy, and very versatile. You can play with colors to create beautiful projects such as blankets, garments, and other granny square creations. At Crochetwoventales, we will continue to make all these projects using granny squares in this series. From now on, keep repeating this round until the granny square reaches the desired size. Change the yarn color every round as desired. If you plan to add more rounds, close rounds with slip stitches, and if it is the final round, close with an invisible join. In this project, I completed a total of 13 rounds, with the last round being in the main color. For the final round, make the last 2 chains and close the round with an invisible join. Insert the needle under the second chain and then back into the chain where the yarn is coming out of. Weave in all tails and cut any extra yarn neatly. Finally, prepare 2 granny squares like this one, as they will be used in the next parts of our series. This concludes basic granny square number 6. It is now ready and beautifully crafted. Remember to subscribe to Crochetwoventales and turn on notifications so you do not miss any new tutorials from the Granny Square series. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to sharing more creative crochet projects with you in the next videos.